The past tense. Past tense is a tense expressing an action that has happened or a state that previously existed. In other words, the past tense is used to denote or express the actions already taking place or the state of being that existed before the time of speaking. For example, she broke my pen. I saw her in the market yesterday. They worked on a big farm. In these three sentences, the verbs broke, saw, worked suggest that the actions took place in the past. So these words are all examples of past tense. There are four forms of the past tense: simple past, past progressive or past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect progressive or continuous tense. These four subdivisions of each tense clearly indicate the stage of action. Example: the simple form simply states an action. It does not say anything about the completion of the action, whether it is complete or not. The continuous form indicates that the action is in progress, it is still going on. The perfect form indicates that the action has been completed. And the last one, perfect continuous form, shows that the action which begins sometime before is still in progress. Now, simple past tense. Simple past tense refers to actions that happened in the past or were regularly done in the past. Now see the example: they always worked sincerely. In this sentence, the verb worked indicates an action in past which is completed. Now let's see how affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences are framed in simple past tense. The rules. For affirmative sentence, subject plus second form of the verb or the past form of the verb plus object. Example: Ayush and Neha went to the office. Now in negative, subject plus did not plus first form of the verb plus object. Example: Ayush and Neha did not go to the office. Here we have to be careful that with did we always use the first form of the verb. Then in interrogative sentence, the structure is did plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object. Example: did Ayush and Neha go to the office? Now the usage of simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to indicate an action completed in the past with reference to the time of speaking. For example, they arrived yesterday. Then to indicate a habit or a regular action of the past. For example, we usually spend the summer in Bengaluru. Once upon a time there lived a king. That means to narrate a story. Then to express an action which occupied a period of time in the past but has ended now. For example, Raman stayed in Delhi from January 2008 to July 2019. So the words arrived, spent, lived, stayed are all examples of simple past tense. Past continuous tense. The verbs that show actions that continued for some time in the past are said to be in the past continuous tense. For example, I was watching the news at that time. In this sentence, the verb was watching indicate that the action began and went on for some time in the past. Now the structure. In positive or affirmative past continuous tense is formed by adding helping verb to the subject plus the base form plus ing and then the object. Example: Ayush and Neha were going to the office every day. Negative sentence is framed by using was or were after the subject plus not plus first form of the verb plus ing. Example: Ayush and Neha were not going to the office every day. An interrogative is formed by using was or were before the subject. Example: were Ayush and Neha going to the office every day? We use was with singular subjects I, he, she, it and singular nouns, and we use were with plural subjects like we, you, they and plural nouns. Now the use of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to describe an action that was in progress at a point of time in the past or over a period of time in the past. For example, I was getting ready to go to the party. Also to describe the actions and situation that started at some point of time in the past but has not ended at the time of speaking. Example, when I saw her, she was speaking to someone in the market. Then third one, that is to denote persistent habit of the past. Example, Ravi was not taken seriously because he was always joking. So the words was getting, was speaking, was joking are all examples of past continuous tense.